everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you our new collection for October. It's called Days of December. It's a beautiful Christmas collection. This is the collection pack, and I'm going to take you through and show you what's releasing in this collection. So let's start with all the individual sheets of paper. This one is called Be Merry, and you can see this is a more traditional release than our last one. This is The Season. It's got a dot on the back. This is a beautiful one. It's called Happy Holidays. And a gingham on the back. Good Cheer. And you've got that pattern on the back again, but without the floral, so you can do your own. So here is called Christmas Carols. We've got text on the back, and this one is called Countdown, which has got all of your days, which is great if you're going to make your own advent calendar or if you want to do a December daily. It's perfect. That's just kind of like a little tree on the back. This one here is called Trim the Tree. It's got some really good little cards, pocket cards you can cut out, and the pattern on the back. And this one is called Deck the Halls Fussy Cuts, which has got all these cute little elements. Fussy cut, and I actually fussy cut this last night, and they are really cute. I can't wait to make something with this. Candy stripes on the back. We also have the mini collection pack as well. We have got 4 cut aparts this month. So we've got, this is the regular cut apart, which uses essential dyes, either 1, 2, or 3. This is just an extra one using die number 6. And this is our mini cut apart sheet, and one of these is in the card making kit, and that's using die number 4. And we have the watercolor cut apart sheet as well. Alright, we've also got the creative cuts, of course. And we have got the laser cut. So this is on our white chipboard, which is really cute. Also perfect for a December daily type album. 3 new dies. This one is Merry, and you can see all layers up. This is a slimline die, and this is actually included in the kit. And 2 add-on dies. This one is our lacy circles, which kind of matches our slimline lacy border one we did last month. And this one is called gift tags. Yeah, and you do make the sweetest little gift tags. Let me just quickly show you some Liddell made using this die. She used the packaging. Isn't that cool? And you can see the little bit on the top, which is this bit here. So you can make your own little Christmas tree decorations, or you can make your own little gift tags. Very cute. That Merry die I was telling you about, you can see there it's layered up. And this is a cute little album that Liddell made using our slimline cards, and she's just stitched them together. Isn't that amazing? I'll just quickly go through these using all the numbers in here. She made this, it's in the magazine, so you'll be able to see all the pictures of each page in the magazine. 18, aren't they amazing? So you kind of own little December daily using the slimline cards. I just love it. 25, Merry Christmas. Last of all, we've got these sweet little cards. Adele also made these. This is using that lacy die. She's made the sweetest little cards using that die. Isn't that cool? Love that. And then this is just the slimline card she's cut in half, and then just made 2 cute little cards to go with a gift at Christmas. Okay, so it is a bit of a smaller collection release this month because we've also got Advent kit releasing in October as well. So it hopefully won't be too many products to overwhelm you. Okay, so just very quickly before I get to what's in the kit, I just want to show you some of the beautiful layouts the team have made with this collection. Absolutely stunning. This is that Merry die with the pattern piece behind it. So absolutely beautiful. This is using some of the monochromatic pages. It is a really gorgeous traditional Christmas collection. Another one with that awesome Merry die. And we just, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. Lucky last one I'm going to show you today was, that's the laser cut there. So beautiful. Okay, so if you're getting the kit, this is what is in the kit. So as I mentioned before, you're getting the Merry die, which is worth $25 on its own, and your collection pack's worth $28. So very good value. This is just some little lace, I don't know, ribbon I guess you could call it. You've got the Days of December creative cuts. These are some of our silver stars, some gold rhinestones. These are some of our new alpha stickers. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 alphas on here. So we've got some little squares, some circles, and these are just 2 different fonts in a really sweet small alpha. This is our laser cut, watercolor cut apart, regular cut apart magazine, of course, which has got all your card making and Liddell's album at the back, and then all scrapbooking at the front. Got some corrugated cardstock, watercolor cardstock, some silver foil because it's Christmas, we need some shiny things, some gold foil, and our cut apart sheet. So that is what is in the kit if you are after the kit. Alrighty guys, so that is the collection and kit. Hope you like this one. The kits will be available on the 5th and you can buy the collection from today. Thanks guys, till next time, bye.